Don't throw away the top of a pineapple. You can actually grow a real pineapple plant at home using just the crown of the fruit. First, cut off the top of the pineapple and remove the bottom leaves to expose the hidden roots. Make sure to remove any leftover fruit because it can cause the plant to rot. Now leave the pineapple top in a dry place for 3 to 5 days. This step is very important because it helps the base dry and prevents rotting after planting. Fill a pot with loose, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Plant the pineapple crown in the center of the pot and press the soil gently around it. Water lightly and place the pot in direct sunlight. Pineapple plants love warmth and bright light. After a few weeks, new roots and fresh leaves will begin to grow from the center. As the plant becomes bigger, move it into a larger pot to help it grow faster and healthier. Pineapple plants take time, but with patience and proper care, you'll eventually grow a real pineapple right at home.